and I was going to go over the images in your math book out. Hit pause. Your math book, it's just 405 to 4. Based on the drawings already on here. Already. Living in the country is not the best. Sometimes it records with sound, sometimes without, for no reason. But differences. We repeated addition with groups and to multiplication. And don't go into that as heavily until third grade is just like an X. So this week we're starting to go into instead of, but we're also about having a total, how to break that up into equal groups. Or think about it like you're playing with everybody. Normally you pass out one to one person, one to the next person, so that everybody has the same amount of cards. Using that as an introduction to division. And the sign for division is a line with a dot above it. This problem says draw to complete the sentences. The problem, Alex has 5 bags. This is in each bag. How many marbles does he have? So that's pretty straightforward. We're at circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then marbles in each bag. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then all the marbles. 2 plus 2 plus 2. And when you count that up, you get 10, 6. So there are 10 marbles in all. There are in each group 5 groups of marbles. Okay? So I'm going to continue on. You hit pause whenever you need to, and then hit play when we're ready to go to the next part. All right. So now we're on page 406. You separate into equal groups. 12 crowns. He puts the same number of boxes. How many crowns does he? So this is talking about, think about all those cards in your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You're doing it evenly, and then see how many groups. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there will go box. If you 12 into 3 boxes, and get 4. All right, a little bit different. Instead of giving you the and you have to hand out the items, they're giving you the total, and you're having a circle to decide how many groups there are. Boxes. We don't know how many. She put 6 pencils in each box. How many boxes will she use? So on this one, they drew 12 pencils, and we know that she's putting 6 in each box, and more, and circle them. So boxes, 2. Okay. For 1, we're gonna. It's use counters. If you need to use counters or something at home, go. If not, it's okay just to draw. So you're going to draw to show cookies, and then they gave us the groups. They gave us 1, 2, 3, 5. So I started out, and I'm 20 cookies. I'm equally. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now, there are on each plate. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Draw to find the number of groups. This is where we're going to draw all the items, and we want to circle groups. So there's 21 buttons here. There, and on, excuse me, tongue-tied. Groups of 3. How many shirts? So you go ahead and finish groups of 3 and tell me how many shirts 20 will be divided by 3. Okay, would that be? All right. Number 3. It says use counters. You don't have to. Draw. You do. 16 birds and 4 bird feeders. To divide birds into the 4 bird feeders equally. And you can do that by counting them out like you would cards. 1, 2, 3. You would keep going. 5, 6, 7 would be at each bird feeder. You're going to stop it. So remember to stop at your total. Don't keep going. We have and there are cupcakes. I want to know how many trays. So they want to know how many groups. There are 5. How many groups of 5? So you're going to circle out 5. Another 5 and another 5 and see how many groups 5 has. Okay, number 5 says higher order thinking, and it says multi-step. So that means you're going to more one step. You're going to have to do more than one thing. And 12 stickers. Jen 9 stickers. Place 7 stickers on each page of a book. How many in the book? If you were watching the video for seeing the warm-up video for the math, to Professor Barger, this is just like the problem they. So we have Jen stickers, but all of those stickers are going in the book. So we need to know how many stickers to circle out the group of 7. So I would figure out how many stickers in all. Then I would draw. Then I would circle my groups of 7 to see how many in the book. Okay, number 6. It's another higher order thing. Eric has 20. Uses each toothpick as the side of a square. How many squares make? How many sides? That's going to tell you how many toothpicks you should be circling for your group. So you're going to draw out your 24 picks and then not needed to make a square. How many squares, Eric? Okay. Page 408. Number 6. A ride at the fair, 24 seats that look like bears, lions, horses, and zebras. They're the same number of animals. How the same number, then that means that they're equal. So this 24 should divide between animals equally. So do a circle for bears, lions, horse, and zebra. Then you're going to pass seats. You're going to divide the 24 between those animals. Count them out. 1, 2, 3. Go back and continue until you get total, then see how many seats that is. Okay, number 8. Use counters to model, then draw to know the number in each group. They're giving you your group. If you have 12 baskets, they have not passed out. Know how many oranges are going to go into each basket. Oliver has 18 plates. How many cookies are on each plate? This is like problem 8. You need 9 plates and pass out your 18 cookies. I know it seems silly, and I would suggest to check yourself, because it'd be silly to miss a question that you think is easy when you could check it with other. All right. On these yellow sheets, I'm going to read them, but I'm not going to give you any hints because these yellow sheets, we just want to see how you get your comprehension, okay? All right. So number 1, you're going to find the number in each group. You have 20 apples and you have 5 baskets. They give you your baskets and your total number of apples to go in each basket if you share that equally. Okay. Number 2, 2 bagels on each plate. This one's a little different. Your total, don't know your groups. So groups, how many plates that would be. Number, how 10 red pencils and 8 green pencils. Boxes. He places 6 pencils in each box he used. We don't know our groups. We totally do something. So we draw our total number of boxes, and we're going to have to find our group. All right, number 4. Kim has 21 acorns. She places an equal number in 7 paper cups. How many acorns are in each cup? So you know your total number of acorns in each cup. So draw cups and then divide them. Mr. Gomez's class go on. There are 20 children in the class. There are what I need. Miss Carter buys there are 16 juices. She shares the juice equally among 8. How many juices will child? There are 32 animals. There are the same number of cows. What kind of animal is on the farm? Never confused by any of this. Or Miss Steela, you have our voice number. You can call, remind, got announcements on. You can text on. It's what we've used for most of the years. It's easier to send announcements. Email. A lot of work has been coming in by email. Or at our Zoom meet is scheduled for Wednesday. Your email. You should email for our class Zoom meeting. We're on there at once. Ms. Killingsworth and Ms. Steele and parents are welcome to sit in. Also, I know that it's been a while since grade level, and The way it's being taught is different too. Feel free to sit in and join us. If you or in your inbox, message Mr. another link. I miss you.